For Triumph's Shape Sensation this season, we are doing lighting from behind to try and emphasise the shape of the woman's body and the support that the product gives to each woman. The light travels around the body in a really protective and enveloping way, but also highlighting her curves and letting every woman know that with the help of the product they can create the shape, and it's really supportive to their capsule wardrobe.
This time the collection of Shape Sensation is really unique and very varied. You have a variation of materials, fabrics, prints, colors, and the shaping is very important this time.
I feel so good with this collection, with this underwear. I feel very elegant, very important. I can be myself. I recommend my friends because it's very good for some girls that have maybe some problems with their body, and they put it under the dress and they can feel very comfy and very elegant and very shapy.